First, I want to talk about why your pajamas are so important. So, several years ago, when I was doing my yoga teacher training, I had a classmate come up to me and she said, Kate, I can always tell what your mood is by what you're wearing. And I thought, hmm, that's weird. And then I thought about it a little more and I paid attention to sort of my mood and what I wore over the next few days. And I realized that she was right. On days when I was feeling tired or a little sad or I just needed a little bit of comfort, I would pull on really cozy layers, things that made me feel like I was cocooned in a hug. And on days when I was feeling really energetic or happy or excited, I would frequently wear bright yoga pants or a t-shirt that had a really powerful message on it, something just really bright, cheerful that reflected that mood. And I thought, well, this is really interesting. I can see how my clothing reflects my mood, but I wonder if I can use my clothing to affect my mood. So I started playing around, and on those days when I was just feeling really tired, I tried to pull on my brightest pair of yoga pants and see what happened. And amazingly, it did give me a little boost of energy. Just looking down at that bright, cheerful pattern on my legs helped boost my energy throughout the day. So I thought, okay, I've got this. I can use my clothes to help influence the way I'm feeling. Um, and so I'm sorry, there's a cat asking to come in, but she's not allowed in right now. So if you hear a little meow, that's what's going on. So I realized that I could use my clothes throughout the day to affect my mood as well as knowing that they were reflecting my mood. And then I started realizing that every night when I changed into my pajamas, I felt really tired, a little sad, just drained of any energy or motivation. All I wanted to do was just curl up in a little ball on the sofa. And I started realizing that my pajamas were tired and sad. They were worn out. They had holes in them. They had stains. They were stretched out. They were old gym clothes or yoga clothes that were no longer appropriate to wear in public. Nothing matched. It was just a bunch of old sweats and yoga clothes. And I thought, well, if I'm putting on tired and sad clothing, I guess it's not a surprise that I'm feeling a little bit tired and sad when I switch into them. So I decided that was it. If I was going to use my clothes throughout the day to affect my mood, I was going to use my pajamas at night to affect my mood. So I gathered up all of those old pajamas that were sad and tired, put them into a bag, and took them to the thrift store to donate. And I started building a pajama wardrobe that is full of pajamas that are cheerful and that make me feel confident and comfortable, that make me feel secure in who I am and in my body, and that don't strip away all of that great stuff that I have throughout the day once I shift into the evening. So that's why I feel so strongly about this, but I want to work through a couple exercises with you so that you can see this manifestation in your own life as well.